Hello everyone, I am Stefan Draminski and I am the designer of the model of Graf Zeppelin, and I'm here to answer some of the questions. The Graf Zeppelin was unique in several ways. She was obviously the first ever carrier to be designed and built in Germany. And the ship had many features typical for Kriegsmarine ships of the 1930s. But still, due to the specific nature of an aircraft carrier, many areas had to be designed from scratch. So there were a couple of Japanese inspirations in the design, as the Japanese Navy already had some experiences with putting aircraft carriers into service, and so German engineers went on missions to Japan to examine Japanese carriers. But still, German engineers also had to come up with their own ideas and technical solutions for the new type of the ship. I think what has fascinated me most about Graf Zeppelin is that there are so many what-ifs that can be associated with it. Now, the carrier could have been used in several different ways by the German Navy command, but still, as we all know, the ship never entered service. So, and after the war was utilized during routine tests of artillery bombs and torpedoes. So, due to this fact, we can only wonder how she would actually perform in combat in North Atlantic, or how the design would compare to contemporary designs from Japan, Great Britain and the US. The biggest challenge, as with any project of this kind, was to create an accurate model. And I mean a computer model that is accurate in both dimensions of the original and is accurate historically. So this was completed with the help of source materials, the best that I could find. These were the original shipyard drawings and preserved photographs of the ship. Other difficulties were posed by the fact that the design of Graf Zeppelin was modified during the actual construction. So these changes had to be accounted for. And in addition, the ship was obviously never completed, so many elements of the equipment of the ship were never fitted. So these had to be made on the basis of similar elements on other German capital ships. I would say it would be the aircraft arrangements. Now, the Graf Zeppelin had a pair of catapults with hinged covers and a system of retrieval of aircraft cradles after they were used. And both these elements were constructed in a different way than on any other ship. But luckily, these elements were also covered pretty well in the shipyard documentation. And apart from that, I would say that also the radar antennas, the radars were not intended to be used on Graf Zeppelin in the initial designs, but later on many of these devices were added and were present in the latest shipyard drawings, so they were also incorporated into the model. Thank you for your time, guys. I hope you enjoy the construction of the model very much. And remember, you can always find more works from me in my books and on the internet. Bye!